how you can profit with a brand new Facebook ads technology. Did you know that millions of businesses around the world right now lose money on a daily basis because of bad targeting? In fact, everyone who uses Facebook Ad Manager for targeting is paying more than they should be for clicks, making less money and competing against more people. We thought there must be a better way, and that's why we got to work and created a brand new technology that solves this issue. It's called AdSight PRO. It goes live on the 1st of October at 10 a.m. EST. This brand new software allows you to use Facebook's hidden data that isn't available within their ads manager. This data enables you to further refine your audiences, finding new targeting opportunities your competition doesn't even know exists. This leads to lower ads, more profits, and a better ad service that you can provide to clients while getting paid between $500 and $1,500 each month. If you'd like to see this software and get these incredible bonuses, make sure you register for this special webinar. One of 3 chances to win $100. On this webinar, we're going to be giving away $100 to 3 lucky people. Join the webinar as an attendee at 10 a.m. EST to be in to win 3 killer Facebook bonuses. For joining this call, you're going to receive 3 killer Facebook bonuses that will help you improve the ads you run in your business. And for clients, discounted launch price. You'll qualify for the very best price possible to get access to this software. Full walkthrough, demo and Q&A. You'll see a full step-by-step walkthrough of the software in action, how it works, how it can improve the amount of profit you make, and you'll be able to ask any questions you'd like to on the call.